church, and we're both also theology students. I'm senior and he's in junior. So you guys is now like asking us where we're from, so you guys know he's from Philippines, I'm from Malaysia. His name is Ben and my name is Wanti. Okay, so the song that we're going to sing is about God's time, which is in Indonesian language. But because Malaysian and Indonesian, we almost speak the same language, we understand each other. So in this PowerPoint, you may see how we're trying to share the message through this song. Because in this song it says that everything will be nice and wonderful if we follow God's timing instead of our time. So last year I teach him this song so he can sing in Bahasa already.
Bahasa.
And the music, the second one.
Yeah.
So